Demolition contractors are the pros you call when you need to clear out a site, tear down old structures, and handle all the messy stuff like hazardous materials and dust control. Alright, so here's the deal with demolition contractors and what they usually handle. First up, site clearance is a big one. They make sure all the junk and leftover bits are taken care of before anything new starts. Then there's hazardous material removal, which is super important because stuff like asbestos or lead paint can be really dangerous if not handled right. Structural teardown is their bread and butter. They know how to safely bring down buildings without wrecking the whole neighborhood. Recycling materials is getting more popular now, so these contractors often sort and recycle wood, metal, and concrete to keep things eco-friendly. Dust control might sound small, but it's huge for keeping the air clean and neighbors happy. They'll use water sprays or barriers to keep dust from flying all over the place. Plus, they handle permits and inspections to make sure everything is legal and safe. If you're planning a project, hiring a skilled demolition contractor means less stress and more done right. One of the biggest mistakes people make with demolition contractors is not checking if they handle hazardous material removal properly. This can cause health risks and legal headaches, so always ask for proof of certification and experience. Another common issue is ignoring dust control measures, which can lead to complaints from neighbors or even fines. Make sure your contractor uses water sprays or dust barriers during the job. Lastly, some folks underestimate how important recycling materials is. Not only does it help the environment, but it can also save you money on disposal fees. Ask your contractor about their recycling process up front. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with real clients and score new projects without all the hassle.